This is Gary, NA60, with a quick demonstration of an Audible QRP tuner for use by blind hams. This is based on the 4-States QRP tuner designed by NM0S, available online for about 50 bucks. And what I've done is I've added a small circuit board in here, you can see. This is a voltage controlled oscillator driven by the reflected voltage and drives a small speaker. It's powered by a couple of AAA cells. And then for a load from the antenna port, this is an adjustable mismatch. I can dial in whatever SWR I want to test the matching capability of the tuner. And it's fed from a 5-watt power amplifier that's driven from a signal source with an attenuator, so I can adjust the power. So what you do is when you put the thing in tune mode, which switches in the networks that are required to measure reflected power, it also powers up the little oscillator. So you can hear it singing in the background there. And right now, this is running 5 watts. And if I make an adjustment here, let's do one quick adjustment. You can see the pitch changes, the LED light comes on, and you can easily adjust it to a null. What's also neat is it's quite sensitive. I'm going to turn the power way down. I've actually measured exactly how much this is, and right now I'm running 1/4 of a watt into this thing, and I'll misadjust it again. The LED does not come on. There's not quite enough voltage to drive that, but it's very easy still to adjust it for a null in the pitch. So actually this thing is quite sensitive. When it's matched, I did check, and it really is a perfect match from the transceiver port measured on a network analyzer. So there we have it, a relatively low-cost tool for use by blind hams. Should come in pretty handy in the field with transceivers that don't have a tuner and can't tolerate a mismatch. Thanks.